Message-based vs API-based integration. Which one should you choose? In a world of distributed system, applications need to communicate efficiently. Two common approaches dominate enterprise integration: message-based integration and API-based integration. But which one is right for your use case? Let's break it down. API-based integration, which is synchronous and request response integration. Do you know how it works? A client sends a request and wait for a response before proceeding. The advantages of this would be it is fast and ideal for real-time interactions. It is standardized with REST protocol, GraphQL, or qRPC. It is easier to implement for direct communication. The disadvantage of API-based integration would be it is tightly coupled. Both systems must be online at the same time to make the communication happen, and there could be potential latency issues under heavy load. Let's see an example of this. A payment service calls a bank API to instantly verify transaction before completing the purchase. Message-based integration, which are asynchronous, event-driven. Do you know how it works? It uses message queues or event stream like Azure Service Bus, Kafka, RabbitMQ to enable loosely coupled communication. There are few advantages on this mechanism. It is highly scalable and resilient. It works even if the receiving system is offline. It supports event-driven architecture. There are few disadvantages on this mechanism. It requires message broker and event handling logic. When you implement event-driven architecture, it could impact potential delays in processing messages. An example would be that an order management system sends an order confirmations message to a warehouse system which processes it when resources become available. Which approach is better? Use API-based integration for real-time request response interactions like authentication, payment, and user data retrieval. Use message-based integration for event-driven scalable workflow like order processing, notification, and microservice communication. There could be a possibility of having a hybrid approach also. In many modern architecture, they combine both to achieve flexibility and performance. Which method do you use the most? Drop a comment and let's discuss.